I made this an animation using AI. Let me show you how. So first thing, go to Paint. Once you open Paint, you can make a dongo or a small drawing of the figure you want to animate. So for me, I'm going to make this one, as I can show you there. You can animate this, either you can draw it on a paper or use Paint. So for me, I'm just going to use Paint. It's easier for me. So I want this to be my animation. I want to animate this. So just complete this. Then after you have completed making your sketch, just save it. Save it maybe as sketch and save. Open this website and go to sketch.metadborderab.com. I'm going to link this link down in the description. You're going to get to this window. Then from here, just accept the terms and conditions. Then just say get started. So if you have your either your animated or your drawn sketch or the one you had drawn in a piece of paper, you can just come here and upload it. For us, we had drawn this one, so let's upload that. You can also upload another one. Just press next after you upload. You can go through these terms and conditions and agree. This is a free account. Then try to crop your image appropriately to where you want it to take on the important content. So these ones are examples of what has been animated using this software before. So for this, just press next after you have cropped that. Then from here, it's going to separating characters. We have separated the characters from the background and the highlights. So this one means if I had put a drawing that I had drawn on a piece of paper, because the piece of paper has a background, it would separate the drawing from the background of the piece of paper. But for our case, we don't have a piece of paper. Ours was just drawn from Paint, so you can just do next. Then from there, it's going to find the character joints. So it's looking for the joints so that this animation can be able to move, jump, and all that. So let's just go next. So yeah, and we are done. So let's just wait for our character. You see, our character is learning now. These are various other forms of what the character is able to do. You can either select all, the dance section, the funny section, jumping section, or walking section. So let me select the dancing section. I want my character or my sketch to dance. You see, it's dancing. Maybe I want it to, in the funny section, I want it to box. So the animation is getting ready. Let's see. You see, it's boxing. So guys, that's how we make an animation using AI. So subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of content about AI. Goodbye guys.